sweat where you are. Here's the vibe. He'll take us up. Okay, man.
Chef time. Lad. Oh, this look like it don't could do good. Something look off with the one here. Something look off with this. Okay, I don't know what I did wrong. Anyway, I'll show you what happens in the end. Okay, so that is it. Now that everything is all done and everything is all yellow, gonna just do a little. Alright, then that is it. Pour out the little tea. Come here for rush. Jesus Christ, I can't even see this. Okay. Alright, that is it now. Time for me to go bed. What is it now? 8:30. I'm gonna have reached TVJ by 9:30. Jesus Christ. Woo! So what's up YouTube? I am here at TVJ. I reach here early, people. I'm about to do the little makeup and them little something there. But for now, we just go and chilling at the guest lounge. I try to fix up the little outfit. This is courtesy of Trademark Outfitters. Now people, I'm not gonna lie, they make me step outside of my heart comfort zone. I like the little look and them look something. They may allow wear accessories and all of these things. I'm gonna show you the outfit throughout the day, but yeah, I kind of like it. Just my gut. I need a little gut trainer. Bad man, I wear waist trainer, but I need a gut trainer to kind of keep the core, you know, sturdy. So this is the guest room, people. So when you come on Smile Jamaica, in here, so you go. You come through this, so let me see if I can go fast. Oh yeah, people out there. They come in here, so they might have all bathroom. How the fuck is in there? Woo! Alright, so people put on the liquor. Look how we look sweet. Jesus Christ. Look like a nice bulk syrup. Anyway, somebody here all together sing. Second time around. I know I'm there from what, 9 o'clock? 9:30. I like I'm there from 9:30. Not start yet, but so the liquor. So this are the setup. Yes, and I'm glad to see Joy again. It's the second time around. Second time around. Today is what? Acapella, yeah, acapella day. And who are the schools that are in the competition left now?
It's only for them, 9 of them.
But I want to say Bell. Oh, 9?
Yeah.
Oh, so 9 performances, 9 schools, and Belfield is a part of it. No Excelsior?
No Excelsior. I don't know. They just didn't make it to the second round.
Okay, but we have Camperdown, so I'm looking at school there.
Yeah,
so yeah. Box cover. This is Dutty Berry, and I will be the guest judge, and all together sing tonight. So make sure you tune in. And Jai, where the snacks them? Every year, she have the snacks them. I'll feed me during the break them. All right.
Take it away. Scroll up. And God Sister wants you to support them by calling.
Alright, let me see if we can one now. Alright, ready. Whoa.
Me all walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from.
Alright, madam, we're ready for roll.
What are you feeling?
Studio. High, very high. On a mountain top.
Anybody ever drop off of this yet? I always wonder. And like, yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. Where's the footage?
They have it.
Oh, that'd be nice.
You've been starstruck though. Oh. Starstruck. Try to say hi. Hi.
Oh, hi everybody. Oh. Oh, I walk on by my first name.
Me.
Russian.
Your mommy. Angel.
Oh, you know Angel? Oh, yeah, I see the resemblance, yeah. Alright, so now,
I'm good. Not a single Put your coaster under tonight. Only their pristine voices permeating the studio and your homes.
Yeah,
Since you're home, you can watch us live from anywhere in the world. Just log on to onespotmedia.com.
So,
remember,
I just get mad. I'm gonna start recording yet. Filming not going yet, but I'm just there. I wait for the first school. The first school is going to be Merle Grove High.
Now, before we hear from our top 9 choirs,
They must sing one song called Satisfied. So let's check it out. Oh my God, Merle Grove would make me feel nervous. That was quite nice. What the girl name? The girl, one little girl, what I call her? I call her Fraser Price. Cause I peer running, she go on with the you. Who the other do that? What's your name? Oh, big up yourself, Latavia. And when other people that they kneel down a while ago, you could have kneel down a little better than if a chick V reach, you know? There's something else. What's there? But anyway, so you gotta load me up. You gotta load me up. Alright, so the one choir gone. We'll have what the next choir come on? St. Elizabeth High. Coming up next doing Motown.
Yeah.
Hopefully that is fun. No, clearly what happened?
Wow, Joy, wow. Knox, we never ready for that. I'm going to perform like shed. It was so good. At one point in time, it's like we just hear this is something when it said broke out, and the broke out just kick with every wax so in our ears.
I say to myself, you're such a lucky guy. Just to have a girl like her. Just to have a girl like me.
Oh gosh, food finally come. One little snack so I can go and munch down. So Joy over there, so collect some of it too. It's correct. Here, Vlog Live, this is Merle Grove Choir. Girl, them with the long skirt. They my only child that run competition. Watch it, long skirt, watch that, down her ankle. Watch that. And over there, so we have Stets over there. Oh, sorry. I have to talk about who coming. Alright, come in and there.
Belfield's choir.
So coming up. We're not going to shell it?
Yes, I mean.
Okay, so I'm saying about me there for see. Oh, I can't go no further. Hold on, so I'm going to give one of them the camera, then go on. Hold on. Hold this. And you have to put yourself a little bit.
This is Stats. Vote for Stats. Vote for Stats.
Alright, thanks. Oh boy. Huh? Oh yeah. Jesus be.
Yes.
You are the choir, you are the director?
Yeah, man. Yes, I am the director. I am the one.
And you are going to make them win?
Yeah, man. I am the one.
Alright, bless up.
Say go through the darkest of days, heaven's a heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of the night. Never let you go, never let me down. Don't you give up.
I really want to get up and go vlog, but I can't get up and vlog because, you know, the judge work. shit with the light then. Alright, well that is it people, I vlog me a vlog. That is it people, I just finished all together sing. Somewhere there, which school name you know, which school is no but that's
High School.
yeah, and big up them white squall. That's great. Wait, look at that. That's young Nanny of the Maroons. What?
My sentence, my paragraph, my essay.
How crazy it is.
Catch me now.
Big up who you are, big up. Oh, sorry, I'm black. Blackage. Oh, this for use the drum and then I'm gonna go to the point so I get the note too. That's great.